Let's begin the tutorial on how to find unlimited consumer data in Prince William and Fairfax counties. To find consumer/homeowners consumer data in Fairfax County, do the following. Go to icare.fairfaxcounty.gov/FFX-care/search, common search, and then include all of this information right here. So if you want to, you can pause right now and write this information down. This is going to help you when you're trying to find any address that's in the border of Fairfax County, Virginia. Now, for example, if you're looking for someone who lives on Marymount Place or Marymount Street, do not include the suffix unless you see it here. So let's go here and type in Marymount. And we're going to see if we can find Marymount Place or some suffix thereof. Once you find it, hit search. What you're going to find is, once you click on Marymount Place, if that's the address that you have located, it's going to give you all of the homeowners that live on Marymount Place. Now, if you want, you can jot down all the names and addresses. For example, you can see here that this is the last name and that is the first name. And of course, this is the street address. Now you can do the following. Simply click on the link over here to the right. Actually, what you can do is you can click on the map number, which is right here. So if we wanted to know the full address, again, we could just simply get every first name, last name, and match it up accordingly to the property address information here. And then you can just click here, and it's going to tell you that that is Jason Reich. This is his full address, and that's the city, state, and that's the zip. When you're ready to extract the consumer data, what you can simply do is just click on the map number here. You can then highlight all the data that you want, which is you will simply want the name and the address info. And so we're going to highlight and copy all that information. Once you have the information highlighted, you simply are going to copy that information. Then what you can do is you can open up WordPad or Notepad, and then copy and paste the information, clean it up. Again, you can keep the middle initial if you'd like. Remember to spell check the consumer's last name and first name. Delete any information that you do not need. I'm going to simply delete. I'm going to clean it up so we have only the information that we do want. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a list of all the addresses that you want to include. Once you have that information, then what you can do is you can then copy or cut this information, go to Word, open up a label on your computer. We're using Word, and then you can copy and paste that information until you have a full page. And then you can print that out. You can put that on your envelopes, or you can put that on your postcards and mail it off to the consumer. Again, going back, when you're looking for consumer data on any household in Fairfax County, what you're going to need is the street address. And then you're going to come here and do a property search and just put the street address and you'll get this information. If you are looking for consumer data in Prince William County, you can come to pwc.publicaccessnow.com/address search .aspx. When you are looking to extract consumer data in Prince William County, you can simply click on address search. For this particular search, we're going to click here. We don't need any house numbers, so if you don't know the house number, that is not going to be a problem. But what you can do is you can simply type in the name of the street that you're looking for. And on Canary Court, we're going to find all of the homeowners that live on Canary Court. If we scroll down, we'll see that. In addition to that, you'll notice here that you can, once you finish the page, you can move to the next page. Even though it doesn't seem like it's changed, trust me, it has. And then when you're looking for the consumer's information on the name and address, remember, you can click right here on parcel detail. And on this particular address, it's Peter C. and this is the last name. Don't even know how to pronounce that. Again, what we can do if we are extracting just this data, what we can do is just come in here and we can copy it. You have two options. If you wish, you can open up Notepad and then paste that information in. Or if you prefer, if you already have your labels open, you can go into labels and just paste this information in. But you see here how this is like messed up like that? What you're going to have to do so you can avoid that, and we're not going to completely fix it, but what you do to avoid it is you open up Notepad first. Then you paste it. Then you make sure that you have the last name spelled correctly. You delete any information that is not necessary. Clean up your data. Now you can just copy it or cut it. Go over to your labels that you have created. And now you can simply paste that in there and clean it up. In addition to that, what you're going to do is after you get all your labels in here, what you can do is you can move it so that it's somewhat centered, not exactly centered, and you simply, I don't know if you can see this, but there are some little bars above the circle, and you're moving it over so that when you go to print, your labels will be centered somewhat on the label, and then you can peel them out. In this example, we are using Avery labels, and the label number for this format is going to be 5160, or sometimes you'll see it as 8160. Whatever format you are using, make sure that it matches the Avery size label so that when you go to use them, they will line up when printing. A free resource that you may want to use in your direct mail pieces or other graphics is a site called Pixabay. It offers you beautiful free images, just as stated, over 1.3 million images and videos. And what you can do is if you are a restaurant and you're looking for images of food, what you can simply do is come here and type in the word food and click on images. And what we're going to do is just hit enter. And once you do that, you'll get a listing of all images related to food. And then what you can do is scroll down. And if you see an image that appeals to you, what you can do is you're going to click on the image. Let's get that. And when the image is downloaded, you'll see a larger form of the image. And then you can then download it for free to your computer and then upload it and use it in any of your graphic or artwork. Another resource you may want to use for your direct marketing and other marketing pieces is go to a site called Creative Market, where they have all types of graphics and templates. And let's just look at some. For example, for flyers, you have a number of different flyers and other layouts that you can choose from. And if there's a fee associated with it, it will show you, for example, this particular one, if you're doing some type of golf type of flyer, it's a bundle of different layouts, and that one's $15. As you can see, they have different prices. This is another resource that you may find to be beneficial in your marketing. I hope this information has been helpful to you and your business and show you how to find unlimited consumer data in Prince William and Fairfax County.